One-Time Inflatable Noise Barrier PVC Tarpaulin Quick Installation Guide. Lay the noise barrier flat on the ground. Logo facing up. Attach the pipe to One-Time Inflatable Noise Barrier. Turn on the blower. Wait until the air is full. About 20 minutes. While inflating, attach strings to the clasp. Inflating. Fully inflated. Turn off the blower and remove the pipe. Pull the string to straighten the noise barrier. Fix the noise barrier with string. No continuous blower, no ongoing noise, no wasted energy. Designed for fast, efficient, and temporary noise control.